Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix HPG2 docking station not detecting monitors, HDMI, DisplayPort and driver fix. To quickly resolve an HPG2 docking station failing to detect monitors, perform a hard reset of the dock by unplugging all cables and its power cord for 60 seconds. Next, download the latest dock firmware and upload to your laptop's graphics driver. The following step-by-step breakdown outlines how to restore your dual monitor setup. Fix 1. Hard reset and cable check. Unplug the docking station from the power outlet, then disconnect the USB-C/Thunderbolt cable from your laptop. Then unplug all monitors and wait for 60 seconds, then reconnect everything and power on. Ensure your HDMI or DisplayPort cables are plugged securely directly into the dock's port rather than the laptop itself. Then disconnect the main USB-C cable from the laptop, rotate it exactly 180 degrees and then plug it back in. After that, try swapping the video cables to rule out a faulty DisplayPort or HDMI wire. Fix 2. Update dock firmware and drivers. Go to the official HP drivers and downloads page. In it, enter your G2 serial number and download the latest firmware. And if you rely on DisplayLink, ensure the Synaptics DisplayLink driver is updated. Though G2 docks generally utilize native ALT-DP mode. Fix 3. Adjust Windows display settings. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop and from there open Display Settings. Now scroll down to the Multiple Displays section and from there click Detect. Once found, choose Extend Desktop to this display from the drop-down menu. A few users note that on some configuration, uninstalling monitor entries in the device manager allows the system to recognize the dock displays properly upon reconnection. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.